Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Redshift, analyze data warehouse queries step by step clearly. Start by launching your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Amazon Redshift console. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. On the Amazon Redshift login page, locate the Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button. You will be prompted to enter your AWS account credentials. Type in your email address or your account ID. Next, enter your password in the designated field. After you've entered your credentials, click the Sign In button again. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Clusters section on the left sidebar. Select the cluster you want to analyze from the list displayed. Once your cluster's information appears, locate the Connect Client section. Choose your preferred method to connect to your Redshift cluster. If you're using a SQL client, download the connection string provided. Open your SQL client application. Input the connection string details into the SQL client. Ensure that you specify the correct database name. Next, enter your Redshift username and password. Once all fields are filled correctly, click the Connect button in your SQL client. After successfully connecting, you will be able to run queries against your data warehouse. Compose your SQL query in the SQL client interface. Execute the query to analyze your data. Review the results displayed by the client. For further analysis, you can modify your query as needed. Continue experimenting with different queries to gain insights from your data. When finished, remember to securely log out from your AWS account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.